How do humans nutritionally adapt to different climates? Imagine living in a place where the weather is so cold that your body needs to work extra hard just to stay warm, or in a hot, dry desert where water is scarce. How do humans manage to survive and thrive in such different environments? The answer lies in how our bodies and cultures change to meet the challenges of climate through our diets. Humans adapt nutritionally to different climates by developing biological, physiological, and cultural strategies that help us get the nutrients we need. For example, in cold regions, people tend to eat more high-calorie foods like fats and proteins. These foods give us the energy to generate heat and stay warm. In contrast, in hot climates, diets often include more fruits, vegetables, and water-rich foods that help us stay hydrated and prevent overheating. Genetic changes also play a role. Some populations have evolved to digest certain foods better. For instance, people in populations with a history of dairy farming often have the ability to digest lactose, the sugar in milk, into adulthood. This trait, called lactase persistence, helps them stay hydrated and get extra calories from milk, especially in dry or arid areas where water is limited. It also provides calcium, which is important for strong bones, especially in places with little sunlight and low vitamin D levels. Physiologically, body shape and metabolism are different depending on climate. People in colder regions tend to have shorter, stockier bodies with more body fat. These features help conserve heat and requiring diets rich in fats and calories. Meanwhile, those in warmer areas often have taller, leaner bodies that dissipate heat more easily. Their diets may include more plant-based foods and water to stay cool and hydrated. Cultural practices also help humans adapt nutritionally. Cooking food makes nutrients easier to digest and kills harmful bacteria. Preserving food through drying or fermenting helps store it 4 times when fresh food isn't available. In cold environments, diets often focus on high-protein and high-fat animal foods, while in tropical regions, diets lean more toward fruits, roots, and water-rich plants. Trade and agriculture have also made a difference. People can grow crops suited to their climate or trade for foods they can't produce locally. These innovations reduce the need for drastic biological changes and help maintain a balanced diet despite environmental challenges. From an anthropological view, nutrition isn't just about biology. It also involves cultural beliefs, food traditions, and social organization. These factors influence what people eat and how they get their food, creating a complex picture of how humans adapt to climate through diet. In short, humans adapt nutritionally to different climates through a mix of genetic traits, body changes, and cultural habits. These adaptations help us survive and reproduce in all kinds of environments, showing how flexible and resourceful humans truly are.